Is this budget pre-built gaming PC still worth buying in 2026? Or is it already showing its age? In this video, we take a detailed and honest look at a pre-built gaming desktop featuring an Intel Core i7 processor, boosting up to 3.9 GHz, an AMD RX 598GB GDDR5 graphics card, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD, running Windows 11 Home. On paper, it still looks like a decent entry-level gaming machine, but real-world performance tells the real story. Right away, the system feels fast and responsive for everyday use. Thanks to the SSD, boot times are quick, apps open smoothly, and Windows 11 runs without noticeable lag. The 16 GB RAM setup helps a lot with multitasking, allowing you to comfortably run multiple apps, browser tabs, and background tasks without major slowdowns. When it comes to gaming, the experience depends heavily on what you're playing. For esports titles like Valorant, CS2, Fortnite, and League of Legends, this PC performs well at 1080p with stable and playable frame rates. It's clearly designed with this type of gaming in mind, where smooth performance matters more than ultra-graphic settings. However, in more demanding AAA games, the limitations of the RX 590 start to show. While still capable of running modern titles, you'll often need to lower settings to medium or even low to maintain smooth gameplay. Newer games demand more GPU power and VRAM efficiency than this older graphics card can comfortably provide. The Intel Core i7 inside the system helps maintain overall stability. It handles background processes, multitasking, and in-game workloads efficiently, ensuring the system doesn't bottleneck in most everyday scenarios. Cooling is handled by a 4-fan RGB setup, which keeps temperatures under control during gaming sessions. The fans do get audible under load, but that's expected for a budget pre-built gaming system. Design-wise, it follows a classic gaming aesthetic with RGB lighting, a tempered glass side panel, and a bold visual style aimed at gamers who want both performance and appearance in one package. Overall, this pre-built gaming PC is best suited for 1080p gaming, especially esports and lighter modern games. It offers solid everyday performance and decent gaming capability, but it's not built for high-end AAA gaming at ultra settings or long-term future-proofing. If you want a simple plug-and-play gaming setup on a budget, this system delivers good value. But if you're aiming for higher resolutions, ultra-graphic settings, or long-term upgrade potential, you may want to consider a more powerful option. If you're interested in buying this pre-built gaming PC desktop computer, Intel Core i7 up to 3.9 GHz, RX 598GB, 16 GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 11 Home, Wi-Fi 5.0, RGB fans X4. Check the link in the description.